Hi, today I want to show how we can set up automatic backups with WordPress. But first, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So, this is our demo website, and all you should do is log in into dashboard, click plugins, and install the one I will tell you. So, search for updraft backup. Just like this. Here it is. Click install now and activate it. Great. So now we should change the settings. You should click Settings or find the Updraft Plus in the left area. It's under Settings. So what we should do? You can update it manually by clicking Backup Now or set up automatic updates, which I prefer to do. So you should click Settings and find these two rows. So for files backup, you should choose weekly. It's what I am doing for all my websites. And click 1. Sorry, better click 2. And for database backup, click weekly, absolutely the same as files. Click Save. So, this plugin will do updates absolutely automatically on your hosting for files and database every week, and it will keep on hosting latest 2 backups for files and 4 databases. If you want to keep something like 5 versions or 10, just change these numbers. Like it will keep 5 versions of your websites, so for latest 5 weeks. But I don't see any reason to do it, so to keep the hosting space good and small, I prefer to do 2 backups for this week and previous one. Don't forget to click Save. Nothing to do, it will do absolutely automatically for you every week. Thanks for watching, hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.